How to fix CarPlay not working after the update. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are getting glitches on your CarPlay after the update, here is what can be done. First and foremost, make sure to restart your iPhone and your car's infotainment system to clear the temporary bugs. Check for your lightning or the USB-C cable for the damage, or try a different certified cable if possible. Another thing you need to make sure is CarPlay is enabled. Go to Settings, then on General. Tap on CarPlay and check if your car is listed and connected. If not, reset your CarPlay connections, forget your car in CarPlay settings and set it up again. Likewise, update your car's infotainment system firmware. Check your car manufacturer's website or dealer for the details. However, if nothing works, you'll have to reset the network connection. For this, go to the general page again, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and then you will see the reset option. Tap on it again and then go to reset network settings. So this is how you can fix the issue. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.